Hey there, hackers! I am on a sojourn for morels. To the woods! Ha ha! As I happen to live in such a state where the so-called virus is in effect. However, the government has not decided to close us down. Well, no, actually, we can go out for, like, exercise and stuff. And trust me, after sitting on my butt doing programming and stuff like that for, like, the past month, yeah, I need to get some exercise. Hello, tree. Huh. A veritable gold mine of trees, what? And a flower. Though I have not found a morel, I have found many a thorns. Alas! My morale is low, and I have not yet found a morel after hours of searching. I at least got a stick, though. Shame. So thank you for gazing upon this with your eyes. Stay safe if you can. And happy hacking.